Welcome back to the BSN channel.
Yeah.
Where once again fufu and soup is being made.
Putting all my stuff in it.
What soup is being made tonight?
Nkwan today.
What, light soup?
Yeah.
What type of light soup?
With this,
looks like lamb in here.
Yeah. Odwannam.
Okay.
Odwannam.
Sheep. I'm joking.
Lamb. We've got plenty of garlic on it. Garlic powder.
Yeah. You've put the salt on the meat and the garlic. Is there any other meat in there? Or is it just...
I'll bring mushroom in it. I'm going to bring this tilapia. Frozen one. It's fillet. So I'm going to put that one in as well. At the moment I'm doing my onions. And then...
So you haven't put onions in there yet?
No.
Okay.
I'm just going along, going easy on that. And so instead of cutting the onions, I like to blend my onion to put it in to start the foundation.
Okay.
So I'm peeling the onions now.
Okay, so whilst letting the meat boil.
The meat is steaming, it's big.
Oh right, steaming, yeah?
Yeah, not boiling. So I don't like cutting it too small, so I sort of go like this. It's only Mum can do this because...
yeah, I have to do it on the cutting board.
I know. Mum can just do... You know.
So this is going to blend. Trust me, onions is like the foundation of taste, just like salt. I'm telling you, and pepper. Pepper.
I've got 2 pepper here that is going to go in the soup, which is this. And take this one off. Yeah.
Some pepper. So this is Scotch bonnet peppers, yeah?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Okay.
And then I'm having 2 onions.
So this is basically the base of the sauce, right?
Yeah, of the soup.
Oh yeah, sorry, the soup.
Without that, the soup will not taste right. I like my soup to taste more tasty, nice and tasty. So I've got 2 medium size, large size actually, of red onions, like you can see.
Yeah, but you telling me you like white onions instead of...
Yeah, I don't have white onions, so sometimes I like the colors with it.
Because I thought the red makes it more tasty.
I've got these plum tomatoes with it, and I'm going to use plum tomatoes because in the blender, yep. I'm doing that. Blend the place, and I'm going to make a little noise here. Quickly. And so many ways of doing this.
so we've blended the onions, pepper, and tomatoes. I'll go straight on the meat. And this is the base of the soup. This is what?
To begin with.
This is the requirements to make soup. See?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you might as well just have water and some salt.
I'm trying to tell you this. I have to stir it. Let's see. I'll make sure all this is in properly. I've got a bit of, I have to put a bit of salt as well.
See this right here? It's the foundation.
Got some salt. See salt. That one, fantastic.
From the apple. You know. Apple chili.
Yeah.
Sea salt.
Yeah. So I'm going to cover this, leave it to simmer for roughly roughly not too long, but I just about
It's burning my eyes.
10-15 minutes.
Whoo! It's killing my eyes. That's how I know the soup. Oh, it's doing some business right now.
Is that the lid? Hey. No, it's not the lid. This is it.
Trust me. When we come back, you're gonna see the soup brewing.
That's my lid. Is going to be steaming for the next 15 to 20 minutes.
So we'll come back around those times, and that's when we'll be inserting the fillets and the mushrooms, right?
Yes, I've got my mushroom here. I've got my tilapia fillet, which makes the soup taste really
it's frozen,
well.
right?
The frozen one I'm going to be trying to defrost it a bit with salt.
So what, are you going to put it in the oven?
Not really. I can...
Because you can put it in the oven and it dries up, but sometimes it sticks to the tray.
That doesn't matter really. I'm not putting in the soup yet.
Yeah, it's towards the very end. It's very soft.
So,
but shouldn't the ice melt in about 20 minutes?
It will, because look, I'm putting water on it. I put some cold water. I'm going to put cold water there to dissolve it. And I'll put salt as well on top.
See.
Help it to dissolve even quicker. Now I'm going to wash it out. It's going to be washed off. So my mushroom, the mushroom is called, what was the name again?
Shiitake or something like that. Yeah.
Mushroom.
That's the things right there.
Chinese one, and it's medicine at the same time.
And at the same time, it makes things very tasty. In my opinion, it's more tasty than just your normal chestnut mushroom. They add a next flavor. It's like a sweet, interesting taste, and a bit of a tangy flavor as well. It's nice. It's like when you add tarragon to your chicken spice. It just adds the next. I can't explain it. It's very nice. My English is very bad as this pause. It's not as bad as my tree, but my English is bad. Okay. So you only put in 2 fillets?
Now I'm bringing one more plus cacao.
Cacao. And
I've got,
remind us what that is again, because that was on the previous.
It's salted infante fish. It's like momone, but it's not, salted fish, dried, and they call it cacao.
What does it contribute to the soup?
It makes it nice flavor. It's got flavor to it, and it tends to melt inside it. I like to eat them, but if you make sauce with it, then you'll be able to catch some to eat. But if you're making soup, just get lost in the soup, really. I do have this, which is a bit of
Put it
fish.
towards the cooker so we can see it.
I'm coming. I'll have to open it first.
Oh.
This is my actual dry fish.
You're gonna add this?
Oh yes, like my soup.
This is a smell I remember. Childhood smell. You know, every Ghanaian shop, yeah, when you're going to buy your fish.
Dry fish.
I
drink.
You always go and you spend like 30 minutes to an hour just looking at different shops, deciding which one you're gonna get, and then you go back to the shop and be like, yeah, I want this one.
You get adrenaline. Look at this adrenaline. The way dry fish.
Looks nice. Yeah,
fantastic.
it's got that nice.
I've got a huge one here, I swear. I'm going to wash it nicely, and it's going to go in with the kako. So I like to break them up a bit smaller.
It's like a tree bark.
Oh yeah, it's all going to be melt in the soup. Don't like them big.
Yeah, it has a nice flavour to the soup.
You don't need too much for adrenaline. You just need a little bit to flavour your soup for you.
Where did you learn this from? Did you learn this from your mum?
Yeah, from my mum when I was growing up. I watched my mum doing small bits like that, making soup, and then I watched her. I watched my mum doing it. So you washed it because in Ghana
take the salt out.
There's no salt on dry fish like this. The only thing that is on is gravels.
So when you say dried, it's not smoked.
It's smoked. They don't just dry it. They smoked it. Smoked fish actually. We call it.
Oh, makes sense. So that's why it has this nice smell.
It's smoked. It's not just dry. And so.
What do you smoke it with? Is this just normal?
Just normal charcoal fire. And they put some net on it, metal net, and then lay the fishes on. Usually catfish and all this, or dog, all that. So I'll put this with the kako in. And
when are they going into the soup?
They're going to the soup next. This and the mushroom is going in. And then later on,
pouring the water out.
Yeah, I'm putting more because I can see.
How long do we have to wait until we put the next thing in the soup?
I'm going to stir the soup. Have a look. Whoa.
Okay. Started the first year. See?
I'm going to give you a stir.
It's not mature yet. It's still, you know, it's still a child. It's still innocent and raw.
Wow.
But give it time.
Whoa.
It can smell like the foundation. I don't know why that, but soup just makes me happy. Even if I lose all my money in the bookies, I come out and I smell soup. It just makes me happy.
Wow, it's a bit chilly.
Gosh, that's what I want to hear. A bit chilly.
That is going in
with no okra.
Kako.
Let me repeat, no okra is going in this soup.
I've run out of okra.
No okra is going in this soup. I'm joking.
Very
I like okra, but it's just, don't mix it in my soup. Just let me eat it as whole. Yeah, I'll eat it as a whole. I'll eat the okra the same way I eat the meat. Trust me.
I'm going to sort of
ruin.
Leave it for a while to.
Okay. So are we gonna come back? people.
Yes, we're coming back.
How many
minutes?
minutes?
The mushroom in it.
Oh, you put the mushrooms in now?
Yeah.
Whew. It's going to add another taste to it.
Yeah. And I'm going to boil kettle.
So you're going to boil a kettle of water to increase the
volume.
Increase the volume, okay.
Yeah. And I'm not doing, what do you call it?
So we come back when the kettle is boiled?
No, I'm fetching the water. Let people see that we need water to mix the soup up to the level we want. Because if you use cold water to mix it up, then it's going to take a long time to boil and it doesn't give it the same flavor. So having a hot water to a hot soup, you know, from the same heat, consistent, it does help the soup to, you know, taste better. So I think I would put this one in my tomato puree.
So you put in tomato puree?
Yeah.
To make it more red?
Not red, to give you a flavor. All these are flavor, because we go by flavor.
Okay.
The people who know how to cook properly is called flavor. If there's certain things if you don't put in, you don't get the flavor at all. Yeah.
It's all about flavor.
It's all about flavor. Even if you don't have enough meat, you want flavor.
Accompanying. That's what I can say.
It's so appetizing, I can't wait to have the fufu done.
So Mom, that's how I know you're Asante, yeah, because the way you get excited for fufu and soup, especially the soup, for all you people out there, this is the sort of natural excitement you should get when you see soup. My mom was thinking about this all day.
All day from my office, thinking, oh, I'm going to go home and I'm going to make odwannamnkwan lamb soup with mushroom. And now I'll cover it for a while. You can notice that I have not put in the tilapia, the fillet one in it.
You're still letting it defrost?
Yeah.
But it doesn't need to defrost fully, just so the majority of the ice has come off, right?
Yeah. I'll put in a soup
Like last 5-10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because it doesn't take long to do fish. You don't really want to overdo fish, unless it's like being smoked or something. You know?
I think I should put a bit more of garlic.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with garlic.
Yeah, because I only put the garlic powder. The raw garlic. If it was chicken, I would have put in chicken soup. I would have put in ginger. And this one is.
But we're gonna come back when the garlic is cut and the kettle's boiled. Okay. Yeah. So peace out. Okay, we're back.
The smell.
The garlic has been peeled. How many cloves did you put in?
3.
3, and now the kettle's been boiled to add more volume to the soup, because obviously it's not just for one person. If you're alone, do you have to add more water?
No, you can do half a pot. I like to do 3/4.
What, the kettle?
Yeah, I mean the water, the whole pot, not up to the edge, but up to this. Because the meat is half, and then the water is there. So, yeah, you see, it's boiling straight away.
See this?
Because I didn't.
Oh right, yeah.
I didn't put, cold water.
So it doesn't lower the temperature. It just starts boiling straight away.
Yeah.
Instead of cooling it down. But you see this right here? See this right here? It's like watching a child prodigy grow into an adult. See this right here? It's a masterpiece. How long? Oh, I'm careful.
Ooh,
Okay.
that is hot.
Jeez, I thought your arm was gonna come off.
No.
But how long will this boil?
At the moment, I'm not going to cover it entirely. I have to.
Because you want it to evaporate.
Yeah, to go out. So I'm going to lower it a little bit.
Okay, to medium.
So this is going to go on till about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll come back and then.
But in total, how long does the soup stay like this? In total?
It's going to be on a fire in total to make soup, you mean? Or to make a full soup like that. You're talking about when did we start? It's not even half an hour. So in all, 1 hour. You can make a soup in 1 hour.
Oh, okay.
It depends how big it is.
So we'll come back in about 15 minutes or 30 minutes.
To put the final bits in it.
Okay, so we'll come back 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Peace. And this beautiful tilapia is going to be greeting this beautiful soup. Peace. Speak.
Sorry?
It's on.
Okay, now the soup is almost done. So what I'm going to do now is to put the fillet, tilapia fillet in it, fresh, like that. And it won't be stale or anything like that. So it's already defrosted from the freezer. I'm happy. All the ices come out. It's going to give my soup a different flavor as well as what we are smelling now.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Okay. See this? See this right here? This is what we call soup. This is what I call soup. This is my
Type of soup.
This is my breast milk.
Yeah, you were 6 months when you started eating fufu anyway, so I made sure I fed you with fufu. If you turn balls, about 4 of them, and then you just nod off, just like
so I'm telling you, I was raised on fufu. Raised on fufu. That was my nufusuo. That's my bad pronunciation. Nufusuo. Breast milk. Telling you, my breast milk right here. This is what turned me from how do you say it? Abofra to Bema. Telling you.
Akoda.
Akoda.
Akoda. A child. A baby. Akoda kitwa.
Alright, so I said child, isn't it? My bad.
Right, so as is prolonging the soup, we are shifting to the
the way I'm gonna eat you.
I'll cover the soup a little while so I can get all the steam come to cover a bit of the white.
But it still looks a bit watery.
Not really.
Okay.
It's doing this.
Okay.
So I'm going on my fufu now. This is the fufu packet. I think the whole world uses this.
Okay, yeah, leave it like that. Your face is not shown.
The whole
this
world.
Is what shows it.
The whole world use this anyway, especially we abroche for. Right, I am going to do my fufu. There it goes. I put my powder, my hot water is done. I lower it up to minimum. And then I'm doing it for 3 people. So it's like a cup full of the. I don't like my fufu too thick, So I always put a little bit of mashed potatoes in it.
Mashed potato, okay.
Yeah, a little bit. So I'm not eating just that starchy bit. It can't be too starchy. So yeah,
I call it
I'm doing it now.
The foreign yam.
Fufu. Put in as much water as I can to soak it, to nail it.
So you're deep. Oh.
Don't go there. Don't even go
Let
there.
me show you. This thing keeps coming up. You're going to see this in a lot of videos.
Just show my fufu.
Okay.
Please.
Before she smacks me.
I won't smack you. You're too big. With a beard on.
My abodjese.
Yeah.
Actually, abodjese is moustache. How do you say beard?
Abodjese. Moustache. I've said it.
Do I have to say face hair? Eninri.
Enimuri.
Eninri.
Enim.
I can't pronounce that. I know how to spell it, but you know, I can't pronounce it.
Enimuri. Please, we speak in English here, right? Don't confuse viewers.
Most viewers are Ghanaian.
Yeah, I know. You see, I'm putting as much as water in it, and people will be wondering why. So that by the time it's all joining together, I can be able to nail it nicely with a stick, because I don't want it too hard to start off. So like this, I can nail it. You see, makes it much easier. And it's going to be very thick. Even though I put a bit of mashed potatoes in it, it's still going to be thick. My children don't like them when it's too light. They like it a bit thicker and hard, not too soft. Now I'm going to open the soup. I'm sure that will be
Smelling beautiful.
Yeah. So
trust me.
we try and get rid of a bit more of the soup.
What, the water?
It's not water. it's the part of the soup.
No, I mean,
didn't want today. I mean,
it's a lot of water, so you want it to evaporate, right?
Oh yeah.
That's what I meant.
I didn't want too much thick, because we've always been eating thick soup. Remember?
Yeah.
So today I really want it light soup.
Okay.
I'm making it cook more. Plus I'm doing the fufu.
Okay, so we're gonna come back when the fufu is done, because this is a very repetitive process. It's not particularly interesting.
I make it look very simple, isn't it?
Make it look easy, to be honest.
Okay, we come back then.
We'll come back when the thing looks like the globe. That's what it looks like. It looks like, to be honest, when it's finished, it looks like someone's belly, fat belly. It looks like a smooth...
Well, it's going to go inside somebody's belly anyway, so what's the difference? It's going to be very smoothie when it's done.
Okay.
But anyway, we see you later.
Let me just look at this one more time. Okay, we're back, and the soup and fufu has been done. Actually, let me do this slowly, because let me go, like, what's that story with the three porridges? Goldilocks and the three bears? Okay. So yeah, this is for the little bear. It's for the medium bear. It's for the big bear. See this one right here? See the mushroom right there? Put the mushroom right there. Okay. You got the lamb right there. Gosh. You got the soup right there. Then you got the fufu. I'm telling you, this is a masterpiece right here. Even the asantehene would accept this. I'm telling you. Trust me. This is for Osei tutu. I'm telling you.
Missy and Tamu, I come with the media assembly.
Okay.
I want to go and eat.
We have to show this, yeah?
Please, quick.
Okay, my mom's getting angry.
Come with me.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Basically, this is the soup. Like, subscribe, or thumbs down, but give the reason, please. This is the end of the video.
Fantastic.
Peace out. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.